আমি বলার পর তোমরা বলবে এটা। We the people of India,
We the people of India,
having solemnly resolved
having solemnly resolved
to constitute India
to constitute India
into a
into a
sovereign,
sovereign,
socialist,
socialist,
secular,
secular,
democratic
democratic
republic,
republic,
and to
secure
to all its citizens
to all its citizens
justice,
justice,
social, economic,
social, economic,
and political
and political
liberty of thought,
liberty of thought,
expression,
expression,
belief,
belief,
faith,
faith,
and worship,
worship,
equality of status
equality of status
and opportunity,
and opportunity,
and to promote
and to promote
among them all
among them all
fraternity, assuring
fraternity, assuring
the dignity of the individual
dignity of the individual
and the unity
and the unity
and integrity of the nation.
of the nations.
In our Constituent Assembly,
In our Constituent Assembly,
this 26th day of November
20 days,
1949,
1949,
do hereby
do hereby
adopt,
adopt,
enact,
enact,
and give to
and lead to
ourselves
ourselves
this Constitution.
this Constitution.
Thank you.